Hi, this is Ben at the Buggy farm again. Today we're working on our Trailmaster 150 buggy. Former owner told me that it ran, but it wouldn't move. Forward or reverse. It's got a little oil caked on thing. It's got a few vacuum lines with holes in them. But we're here to fix the CVT today. I think that's where the problem might be. You're going to need to pull all these side cover bolts off. I believe there's 8 of them. 8mm. Sometimes you got to use a little whacker to get that off. And I whacked it just before I turned this camera on and it started moving. Let's see if I can get this going here. Oh, I almost lost it. Just as I expected. Let me get this out and I'll show you what I got. Alright. I guess you can see a little bit of that. A little bit of this. That is our drive belt. There's a little bit of it. Yeah. Sometimes that'll keep them from running forward. It's all wound up in the clutch. I can see the clutch bell's purple. It's going to be, all that'll be changed out. Got to be real careful. Get all this out of all these little crevices, all these little breather tubes, all these little chunks out of here. You don't want them floating around. Alright, lucked out. Sometimes it's something easy. Other times you're digging into the gearbox. Alright, folks. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.